me again, Celeste, and I'm back with today's video. For this tutorial, I won't be making a wreath again. Instead, I have a new ideas for your Christmas tree. I'm sure that you are going to love it. These ideas are in 3 rows to complete your ornaments, and guess what? We are making a snowflakes ornaments. And of course, if you are just tuning in to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button to have access to all my tutorials and of course the notification bell to get updated. Let's begin with the materials we need here. For this project, I'm using a nylon thread with a size of 2 mm, a hook size G or 5.25 mm, a scissor, and a needle. Let's begin with a magic ring. Then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 1 double crochet on the magic ring, chain 2, 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet again, chain 2, 1 double crochet, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we need to complete 6 of this. Chain 2, 1 double crochet, then chain 2. Now we have 5, and we need to make a slip stitch on the 3rd chain, and the first row is complete. Pull the tail to close the gap, so this is how it looks like. We complete 6 sets right here. Then for the 2nd row, make a slip stitch on the space, then chain 3. This is considered as 1 double crochet, and another 3 double crochet on the same space. Now we have 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then make a chain 2, then 4 double crochet on the next space, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then chain 2 again, then make 4 double crochet until we complete the 6 sets. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 2, 4, chain 2, 4, chain 2. Then lastly, we have chain 2 right here. Then we're gonna go back to the 3rd chain, 1, 2, 3, then make a slip stitch on the 3rd chain. Then for the 3rd row, we need to make 4 slip stitch here until we get to the space 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slip stitch in every chain. Now we have 1, 2, 3, then one last slip stitch on the space, and then make a chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch, then make a chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, going to the back to the space, do a slip stitch, chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, going back to the space and make a slip stitch. Now we decrease the chain. We are going to make 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Go back to the space again and make a slip stitch. And the last one, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Go back to the space and make a slip stitch. Now this is how it looks like. We have chain 3, chain 5, chain 7, go back to 5 and 3. Now make a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Make a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, and lastly 4. This time we're gonna repeat the pattern on the first base. Make a chain of 3, slip stitch, chain 5, 3, 4, and 5. Go back to the space, make a slip stitch, then chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Go back to the space, make a slip stitch, then decrease the chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slip stitch again, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch. Now we need to repeat the process to complete this row with a 6 sets. And now I was on the last set right here, and I need to make chain 7. I want 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Make a slip stitch, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch, and last 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch, and this time we only need 2 slip stitch, and make sure that you insert your hook on the back side. You can see those 2 loops right here. Make a slip stitch twice, 1, then on the next chain 2, and now leave a long tail about 4 inches. We don't need to make a chain here because we're using that nylon thread, so this is more thick and strong. So like here, about 4 inches long for hanging purposes. Then cut the thread and secure it at the back. Hope you guys love this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave the comment below, and click the notification bell and share it with your friends. Happy holidays, everyone!